Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to share a new twisted recipe, that is spinach chocolate cream roll or Swiss roll. It's a very easy dessert to make. A slice of it is so beautiful on a plate when garnished with few fresh berries. So without getting late, let's walk through the recipe. First take 200 grams of chopped spinach. Then blend it into smooth paste. On the other side, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 4 tablespoon icing sugar with this flour. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it very well. Now mix this spinach paste with the dry ingredients and add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of vinegar and mix all ingredients together. Now mix 1 tablespoon of milk for proper consistency. Now place butter paper on a baking tray and transfer the batter onto it. Spread it uniformly. Now bake it in a preheated oven for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius temperature. Now for chocolate buttercream preparation, add 5 tablespoons of buttercream in a blender jar. You can find the recipe of buttercream in my cranberry chocolate cake video. The link for this video is given in description box. Now add 1 tablespoon of white chocolate ganache. After that, add 1.5 tablespoon of cream cheese. Also add 2 tablespoons of milk into the mixture. Churn all the ingredients together into creamy texture. Now add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder into this mixture and blend it again into a smooth paste. The chocolate buttercream is ready. Now after 25 minutes, cool down the cake and wrap it with butter paper and roll it. Cover the cake roll with a kitchen towel. After cooling down, unwrap the cake and spread the chocolate buttercream over it. Now roll the cake very gently. And wrap it with butter paper again and refrigerate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, unwrap the roll and sprinkle some icing sugar over it. After that, garnish it with blueberries finally, cut it into slices. And your spinach cream roll is ready.